Is Pyypl.com legit or a scam? Why does Pyypl.com have a reasonable trust score? We think Pyypl.com is legit, as we found few indicators, which might point to a scam. Pyypl.com review resulted in a trust score of 77. This rating has been given by an algorithm based on public sources, such as WHOIS, the IP address of the server, the location of the company, and if the website has been reported on spam and phishing lists. Although we rate Pyypl.com as medium to low risk, we cannot guarantee it is not a scam of fake website. You should always do your own manual check of the website to determine if it is legit and safe. Positive highlights. The SSL certificate is valid. Source: Zulfan SSL check. This website is very old. This website is safe according to DNS filter. This website does not contain phishing or malware according to Flashstart. Negative highlights. The owner of the website is using a service to hide their identity on WHOIS. This website has received mainly negative reviews. Company rating. We see that the owner of the website is using a service to hide his or her identity. This may be because the owner does not want to get spammed. However, it also makes it difficult to identify the real owner of the website. As a result, websites hiding their identity get a slightly lower score. Webshop analysis. This website has been set up several years ago. We consider this a positive sign. The longer a website exists, the more it can be expected that it is legit. However, the age of the website is unfortunately no guarantee. In some cases, scammers have been found to buy existing domain names and start their malicious practice here. So checking a website remains a necessity. Technical analysis. A valid SSL certificate was found. Professional companies use an SSL certificate to encrypt communication between your computer and their website. However, there are different levels of certification, and scammers also install a free SSL certificate. If you have to enter your data, never do this without checking if an SSL certificate protects your information.